If you're working on a desktop application in 2026, there are three tools that constantly come up: Electron, Tauri, and Neutralino. All three allow you to develop cross platform desktop application using web technologies, yet they follow entirely different architectural principles. Now let's talk about the big three of desktop development. First, we have Electron. Electron is the one among the trio with the most extensive use case, powering applications like Visual Studio Code, Discord, and Slack. The key here is consistency. Electron ships with its Chromium and Node.js versions, which guarantees that the application works consistently across all platforms. However, the drawback is that the tool carries an entire browser engine, which means that it requires significant amounts of memory space and takes at least 100 MB of space during installation. Tauri, on the other hand, is the most contemporary option that has received unprecedented popularity with its 2.0 launch. Rather than incorporating a browser, Tauri employs the native web view of the OS, the Web View 2 for Windows, and WebKit for macOS, along with a highly efficient Rust backend. The design enables Tauri installers to remain extremely light, typically below 10 MB, and minimizes the memory footprint while idle. Thanks to its latest mobile capabilities for iOS and Android platforms, Tauri becomes the ideal candidate for those who desire to achieve lightweight and security with multi platform reach. Now let's have the leanest option. Neutralino is the most streamlined option of all three frameworks. Neutralino is a portable yet extremely light framework that does not include any built-in runtime environment or any heavyweight backend programming language such as Rust, opting instead for a light C++ engine along with a global web server to act as a connection between the front end and the OS. Although Neutralino is capable of creating some of the smallest binaries, its ecosystem is relatively sparse. So, who is the most performant? For performance as measured by the most compact installer, the choice would be Neutralino. For those who seek optimal performance in terms of fast boot times, efficient use of memory, and actual capacity, then the right choice will be Tauri in 2026. Meanwhile, Electron will continue to be a good choice due to its maturity, productivity, and huge ecosystem despite lacking in resource usage optimization. In short, Electron for maximum manpower and battle tested applications, Tauri for a blend of speed, security, and cross platform support on mobile, and Neutralino for simplicity and ultimate lightweight utility applications.